Ever wonder why some people detox easily while others always feel bloated or tired? The secret often lies in how well their kidneys work. These small organs keep your blood pure and your energy steady, so protecting them is key to long-term vitality. In this video, we'll reveal 3 powerful spices that can wake up your kidneys and make you feel lighter within days. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, helps lower creatinine and urea buildup, improving your kidney's ability to filter waste efficiently. It neutralizes harmful free radicals and calms inflammation, one of the biggest causes of kidney decline. Turmeric also supports healthy blood sugar and blood pressure, 2 key factors in protecting your kidneys. Use 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily with a pinch of black pepper and a little olive or coconut oil for better absorption. Add it to soups, roasted vegetables, or enjoy it as a warm golden milk before bed. 2. Ginger. Ginger boosts blood flow through the kidneys, increasing oxygen and nutrient delivery. Its active compounds, gingerols and shogaols, reduce inflammation, prevent scarring, and act as gentle natural diuretics that help flush sodium and toxins. It also strengthens liver function, easing the workload on your kidneys. For best results, drink fresh ginger tea in the morning or midday. Finally, fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are excellent natural kidney cleansers. They gently increase urine flow, helping your body eliminate excess salts and toxins. Their antioxidants, like quercetin and anethole, protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage and inflammation. Crush a teaspoon of fennel seeds, steep in boiling water for 10 minutes, and drink this tea 2 to 3 times weekly. It's refreshing, soothing, and keeps your kidneys active and healthy. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more content.